Welcome, dear friends, to our new video. Today, we're asking an important question. Who created Bitcoin and why? In 2008, after a massive financial crash, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto released Bitcoin to the world. As of this recording, May 2025, Satoshi Nakamoto's identity is one of the biggest mysteries in technology. Why was Bitcoin created? Because the current money system was and still is broken. During the crash, people saw what really happens behind the scenes. Governments and big banks work together to save the rich. But here is the part they don't tell you. They didn't use their own money. They printed new money, billions of it, to cover up the mess. And when money is printed without real economic value, your savings loses value. Just so you know, this isn't history. It's still slowly happening. They printed a lot of money during COVID too. Here is what that looks like. If you had $100 in 2008, by 2025, it would only buy about $65 worth of goods. In other countries, it's even worse. As an example, if you had 100 Pakistani rupees in 2008, today, that might only buy 11 rupees worth of things. That's the quiet way your wealth is stolen. We'll talk more about that truth in future videos. If you're enjoying this, make sure to tap subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on learning that powerful truth. But here is the point. Bitcoin was created to fight this exact problem. It's not just a coin. It's the result of more than 30 years of work by brilliant minds in maths and computer science. Satoshi brilliantly brought it all together in a 9-page paper. The result? Money without government. Money with rules, but no rulers. Anyone can own it. No single person or company can change it. It belongs to the people. That's why I believe Bitcoin is the most powerful financial tool since gold. It's gold with wings, digital gold. In the next video, we will show you how Bitcoin works simply and clearly so you can see it for yourselves. It's not to be missed. Have a good day.